So you have a meeting set up with your attorney, and it's a consultation, and you're not exactly sure what do you do to prepare. I'm Frances Shefter with Shefter Law PA, where we help families have a stress-free IEP experience. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what you should do to prepare. A lot of times law firms have consults that are more of a sales pitch and to try and figure out what's going on with you to help find a solution and how they can help the solution. So here are some important things to know, because anybody can say they can help you with a solution, but does the attorney have experience at IEP meetings? Or are they just litigation? Do they have any educational training? Do they know what an IEP looks like? Do they know how to rewrite a goal? Do they know what present levels should look like? Can they read a report? These are all questions that, while usually an attorney doesn't need to know, it's good for your attorney to know, because it makes it easier for them to talk to the schools and to argue for what you want for your child. The other thing is, look at the law firm and what their goals are of the clients. There's a lot of law firms out there that say, we're for inclusion, or I can get your kid into any non-public. And that's great, but do they know how to look at your case and your child's situation and determine what the best path is? Because non-public isn't for everyone, just like inclusion is not for everyone. And it depends on your child's standards and what your child needs. Those are your basic consultations. Here at Shefter Law, we don't give consultations, and we definitely don't do free consultations. We do a free case analysis with an experienced advocate that talks you through and figures out what your ultimate desire is, to see if it is something we can help you with. Once the advocate determines that it's something they can help you with, that we can help you with, you get booked a strategy session, which is a paid meeting with one of our attorneys. It's always with an attorney. And what happens at a strategy session is you go into more detail of what the issues are with your child and what you want the outcome to be. And therefore, the attorney can look at all the legal aspects and talk through what options are. Well, if you go this way, this is what could happen. And if you go that way, that's what could happen. Which do you want to do? And helps you put together a plan of action. So when you walk out of a strategy session with us, you have a plan of action. Sometimes it includes us, sometimes it doesn't. But we're honest with you of what we think is best for your child, because it's all about the child, and that's where our firm focuses. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel or wherever else you're watching this, so that you can get notified when more are put out. I'm Frances Shefter with Shefter Law PA, where we help families have a stress-free IEP experience.